Now in present lecture, we'll discuss these two types of integrals. Here, to evaluate the integral of type, suppose this type of integral we are having, that is px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus c dx, or same portion, it is without square root, this is with square root, then procedure will be same. This is a procedure, px plus q equal to a into d by dx of this quadratic portion plus b. A is as it is, derivative of ax square is 2ax plus b and plus b here. We have to determine the values of a and b by original basic procedure. Now this px plus q upon ax square plus bx plus d is equal to, now this px plus q can be written as a is as it is, this is 2ax plus b, and then this b upon ax square plus bx plus c, then dx. Split the integral, here plus b is as it is and this portion is as it is, but derivative of this one is this, so required answer is this one plus b, and here 1 upon integration of ax square plus bx plus c, and then that dx. I think firstly write this formula in your notebook and then we will start the problem. Actually note down this formula here, this one step, and this also integral we are having. To evaluate the integral of type, these are the three formats. First format is a plus b sin square x, second is a plus b cos square x, third is that portion here. Now in order to solve all type of integral, this is the same procedure, that 4 steps we are having. Very first step, when first, second, third, any question is asked, then procedure will be same. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. If we want, you can divide it by sin square x also. Then second step is like this, if sec square x or cosec square x, if any in denominator it is written, then replace that by 1 plus tan square x. Sec square x is replaced by 1 plus tan square x, cosec square x is replaced by 1 plus cot square x. Then next step is a routine, put tan x equal to t or put cot x equal to t, and by substituting this we are getting the original equation, it is transferred in 1 upon at square plus bt plus c and then dt. And then as we have solved in previous lecture, that is special integral, use the special integral formation and solve this one. Now it is requested to note down this type and this type, then we will solve the problem on this one. Now we will start the problem on this format. Actually we will take sample examples on this one by one. We will take sample examples. Actually very first example I will write here. First example is we will take problems on every format actually. Suppose here question is of same type, that is evaluate. This question is given here. Very first it is 3x plus 4, it is divided by x square plus 6x plus 5 and then that dx. So in order to evaluate this here, now firstly I will write this original as let capital I equal to 3x plus 4 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 and then that dx. Now here right here 3x plus 4 is equal to a into d by dx of x square plus 6x plus 5 and then plus b. Now it is next one, a into what is derivative of x square, it is 2x plus 6 and plus b, it is here 3x plus 4. Now multiply this here, it is a 3x plus 4, it is equal to 2ax plus 6a and plus b. Now this 3 matches with 2a and this 4 matches with 6a plus b. After comparison we are having 2a is equal to 3. So a equal to what? 3 by 2. Secondly it is 6a plus b. 6a plus b, it is equal to 4. So 6 into a is 3 by 2 plus b and it is equal to 4. These 2 3s are 6 get cancelled, it is 9 plus b is equal to 4. If we shift 9 on right hand side, that is 4 minus 9, it is equal to minus 5. So if I say this is equation number 1, so it is 3x plus 4 replaced by a is replaced now right here. Equation 1 becomes, so we can say like this, equation 1 becomes, it is 3x plus 4 is equal to, don't write this a is replaced by what? 3 by 2, it is in bracket 2x plus 6 2x plus 6 and plus b is here minus 5. So I will write this capital I, repeat now. Now this capital I, don't write this 3x plus 4 now. What is this 3x plus 4 replaced by? 3x plus 4 is replaced by 3 by 2 into 2x plus 6 minus 5. So write that capital I, repeat here. Capital I, it is repeated now. Capital I, it is equal to, numerator is replaced by that portion. It is a 3 by 2 into 2x plus 6 minus 5, and it is divided by x square plus 6x plus 5, and in that dx. Now split the terms here. It is a 3 by 2 into 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 minus 5 upon x square plus 6x plus 5, this bracket close, and in that dx. I think you are knowing here this minus sign indicates this integration is split into two integrals. Constant you have to take outside. Can I write this as 3 by 2 into integration of 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx, minus 5 is outside, 1 upon x square plus 6x plus 5, and in that dx. I think derivative of this denominator portion is numerator, so answer of this one is very straight, it is a log of. And after that, in this one we have to add a 9 and subtract 9, and it is a routine procedure. We will complete this problem. We will take next problem after this. Now here it is 3 by 2 into 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 minus 5 is outside, integration of 1 upon x square plus 6x, add 9, subtract 9 plus 5, and then dx. These three terms and these two terms we have to split now. Here it is 3 by 2 into integration of 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Here it is actually dx minus 5, integration of 1 upon, this is a perfect square of x plus 3 and minus 4, and in that dx. So it is a 3 by 2 into integration of 2x plus 6 upon x square plus 6x plus 5 dx, minus 5 into integration of 1 upon x plus 3 bracket square minus 2 square, and in that dx. Now in order to solve this problem later on, derivative of denominator is this numerator, so answer of this one is log of, and here it is without square root, it is a special integral, so it is answer 1 by 2a. So we'll write like this, 3 by 2 into log of x square plus 6x plus 5 minus 5 into 1 by 2a, 2 into 2, it is a log of x plus 3 minus 2, x plus 3 plus 2, and plus c. It is your very last step. It is a 3 by 2 into log of x square plus 6x plus 5 minus 5 by 4 log of x plus 1 upon x plus 5 and plus c. It is your final answer. Now one sample example I have solved of first type. Now we'll solve one next example from second type. Now second type it is here. Numerator will be of linear portion, that is 7x plus 3, but denominator is quadratic with square root. Actually it is square root. It is a 3 plus 2x minus x square, and in that dx. We'll solve this problem, then coming to next part here. Here let capital I, it is equal to integration of 7x plus 3 upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square, and in that dx. Procedure will be same. We'll take fresh problem here. I will rub this. Take fresh problem which is written on the board now. This problem is of format px plus q upon square root of ax square plus bx plus c. So in order to solve this one, right here 7x plus 3 equal to a into d by dx of this portion 3 plus 2x minus x square and plus b. If we continue here, it is a 7x plus 3 equal to a into, if we find derivative, what is derivative? minus 2x plus 2 and plus b. Calculate now. It is 7x plus 3 is equal to a multiplied by that. So it is minus 2ax plus 2a and plus b. So this minus 2a is replaced by 7. Minus 2a is replaced by 7. And secondly it is 2a plus b, it is equal to 3. So a comes out to be minus 7 by 2. So 2 into minus 7 by 2 plus b is equal to 3. 2 get cancelled, minus 7 plus b is equal to 3. So this b is equal to 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So we are getting the values of a and b. This is equation number 1 here. So we'll write that equation 1 becomes, how that equation 1 becomes 7x plus 3. This is here 7x plus 3. Don't write a is replaced by minus 7 by 2 in bracket minus 2x plus 2 plus b is taken as 10. Now it is your prime duty to write this matter now. This 7x plus 3 replace. How this 7x plus 3 is replaced by minus 7 by 2 into 2x plus 2 plus 10. It is a numerator, then square root, and we will continue. Now this I, it is this shaded part, it is replaced by this quantity. So I will write capital I is equal to, remember one thing, I will be writing this matter. This is a capital I equal to, this 7x plus 3, it is replaced by minus 7 by 2 into minus 2x plus 2 plus 10. It is numerator divided by this denominator portion. It is square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square and in that dx. Now we'll split this one. Constant you have to take outside. Minus 7 by 2 is taken outside. It is minus 2x plus 2 upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square dx. That 10 is constant, take outside, remain is here 1 and upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square and in that dx. I think derivative of denominator, it is in numerator, so answer of this one is by corollary of method of substitution, that is 2 times square root, and it is a 10 into add 1 subtract 1 facility and complete the problem. We will take next problem now. Minus 7 by 2 2x plus 2 upon square root of, it is a 3 plus 2x minus x square dx plus 10 times, it is 1 upon square root of 3 add 1 subtract 1 plus 2x minus x square and in that dx. These two terms, these three terms. Now we have to proceed now. Here it is minus 7 by 2. It is written like this, minus 7 by 2, it is a minus 2x plus 2 upon square root of, it is a 3 plus 2x minus x square dx plus 10 into 1 upon square root of, it is a 3 plus 1 4 minus x square minus 2x plus 1. Actually I will write dx here only. Now perfect squarings, minus 7 by 2 integration of minus 2x plus 2 upon square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square dx plus 10 times integration of dx upon, I want perfect squaring. If we make square, it is a 2 square and this is a perfect square of x minus 1. I think all formulae we are knowing. It is minus 7 by 2 into 2 times square root. It is by corollary of method of substitution. 3 plus 2x minus x square plus 10 times, it is a sine inverse of variable term upon constant term and plus c. These 2 and these 2 get cancelled. Your answer starts minus 7 into root of 3 plus 2x minus x square plus 10 into sine inverse of x minus 1 upon 2 and plus c. Now we have solved one problem from first type, one problem from second type. Now take few examples of that and last format now. Next format, question 3, that is integration of 1 upon 1 plus 3 sine square x and in that dx. Now it is in routine format. Your procedure is like this. Let now this is one of the typical or straightforward problem actually of special type, that is 1 plus 3 sin square x dx. Your basic procedure is divide. It is in your notebook actually. This procedure is already written. Divide n and d by cos square x. Your procedure starts here. I is equal to 1 upon cos square x. Here it is 1, so it is 1 upon cos square x. This is a 3 sin square x upon cos square x, and in that dx. This 1 upon cos square x, it is sec square x. So we will write numerator is sec square x upon sec square x and plus 3 tan square x. But in original procedure it is written, if sec square x is written, then replace that sec square x by 1 plus tan square x. It is your prime duty to replace this by 1 plus tan square. Don't replace numerator terms, replace just denominator terms. Numerator is as it is, sec square x upon 1 plus tan square x plus 3 tan square x, and in that dx. So numerator is sec square x divided by 1 plus 4 tan square x, and in that dx. It is your prime duty. What is derivative of tan x? It is sec square x. So compulsory put tan x equal to t. Put tan x equal to t and get the answer. Put tan x equal to t. What is derivative of tan x? Derivative of tan x is sec square x dx. It is equal to dt. Repeat this capital I now. What is the sec square x and dx replaced by? It is replaced by dt here, and upon 1 plus 4t square. Make a perfect square and get the answer in very few steps. I think 4t square means 2t whole square. Answer is 1 by 2 into tan inverse of 2t plus c. T is replaced by tan inverse x, or tan x, sorry. T is replaced by tan x and plus c. It is your required. Now one typical problem I will take, and these types will complete. We'll take last one article in present lecture also. Fourth one question, that is for evaluating cos x upon cos 3x. Suppose this question is given. It is somewhat typical. Let capital I is equal to cos x upon cos 3x. This problem becomes very simple for those students who are knowing this formula of cos 3x. I will quote here formula for this cos 3x now. I think you are knowing formula of cos 3x. Cos 3x means it is a 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, and in that dx. Now take common cos x from denominator. Here it is cos x common, remain is here 4 cos square x minus 3, and in that dx. This cos x and this cos x get cancel. What is remain? Remain quantity is here 1 upon 4 cos square x, 1 upon 4 cos square x minus 3. Now it is a routine procedure. I think it is your duty actually. Divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. So capital I repeats here. It is 1 upon cos square x divided by 4 cos square x upon cos square x minus 3 upon cos square x, and in that dx. This cos square x and this cos square x get cancel. What is remain after this here? It is sec square x upon 4 plus 3. 1 upon cos square x it is. Repeat sec square x. Now it is your prime duty to convert the sec square x by, or replace sec square x by 1 plus. Replace this sec square x by 1 plus tan square x, and then dx. I think this problem is very straight. Numerator is sec square x upon 4 plus 3 ones are 3 plus 3 tan square x and in that dx. Now it is a routine workout. It is a sec square x upon numerator is sec square x dx upon it is 7 plus 3 tan square x. I think after that it is just put tan x equal to t. Derivative of tan x is sec square x dx is equal to dt. Just observe this here. What is this capital I is equal to? What is numerator? Numerator is sec square x dx. It is just dt upon this is 7 plus 3t square. After that we have to write like this. We will convert this problem in that fashion here. It is a dt upon 7. It is written as a root 7 square and that 3t square can be written as root 3 whole square. Now here coefficient of t becomes root 3, so we have to take 1 upon root 3 outside and after that we have to take the formula. Here it is 1 upon a into tan inverse of variable term in numerator divided by constant term. It is a root 7 and then that plus c. So it is 1 upon root 21. It is a tan inverse of. Now put the current value for t. What is the current value for that t? Current value for t is here tan x. So we will write root 3 tan x divided by root 7 and in that plus c. It is a completion for this present article. Just one type it is remain and after that this method of substitution article completes here only. Now we will take that last one format for method of substitution. As far as CET preparation is concerned, I think firstly board should be clear. So we will take that last format from method of substitution, that is to evaluate this type it is needed. Here it is integration of 1 upon a plus b sin x dx. Integration of 1 upon a plus b cos x dx, or next one it is 1 upon a plus b sin x plus c cos x and in that dx. I think you are knowing in order to solve this problem just a substitution is needed and then we will continue. What is your basic substitution? Basic substitution is put tan x by 2 equal to t and with that one we are getting directly dx it is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. After that sin x it is 2t upon 1 plus t square. Cos x can be written as 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now just put this one, put the value. Suppose this problem is asked in CET or in board pattern, suppose this problem is asked, then in this problem replace this dx by 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, replace this sin x by 2t upon 1 plus t square, and substitution is every time same. It is tan x by 2 equal to t. With this substitution we can solve such type of integrals. And very last format, it is not important but we have to take as far as syllabus is concerned, that is to evaluate the next format. Next format it is for double angle only, and after that this article completes. Here it is a plus b sin 2x dx. Second one is of same fashion. It is 1 upon a plus b cos 2x and in that dx. Very last format it is 1 upon a plus b sin 2x and plus c cos 2x and in that dx. You have to write here substitutions. Minute changes are here. When single angle is there, half angle is the substitution. When double angle is there, single angle is your substitution. So put tan x is equal to t. We have to put this tan x equal to t and respective changes are like this. This dx is 2 dt. In this present problem, dx is replaced by dt upon 1 plus t square. This sin x, but here it is not sin x. Here it is sin 2x. It is replaced by 2t upon 1 plus t square and cos 2x is replaced by 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Just I will take pause for 1 to 2 seconds, it is your prime duty to pause this video and note down this formula in your notebook, because I will be taking problems on this current article in order to finish this method of substitution to evaluate this one, first, second, third type. If any problem is asked of any three type, then this is the substitution. We get the answer by method of substitution. If such type of problem is there, then use these substitutions, solve this by method of substitution. We get required answer by special integrals also. Just I will take problems on this one and I will stop here only. I will take few examples of same type actually here. I will take first problem. Here it is of single angle actually. Every time it is of evaluate integration of 1 upon 4 minus 5 cos x and then that dx. This question is asked. This is important for board and CET also both. Here it is I equal to 1 upon 4 minus 5 cos x and then dx. I have requested to pause my video and note down the formula. If you note down that formula, then we are knowing in order to solve this one, what should be your substitution? Put tan x by 2 equal to t. What is dx? It is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. What should be value of cos x? It should be 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. I think this is very simple. Now just replace this cos x by cos x is replaced by 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. How this round dx is replaced by? It is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. I will write this capital I, repeat now. Just observe this actually, it is 1 upon 4 minus 5 into, how this cos x is replaced by? It is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, and this dx is replaced by 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. I think this is very routine workout. Now this is by primary level. It is 1 upon, here it is LCM is 1 plus t square, cross multiply and get the answer. 4 into 1 it is 4, 4 into t square it is 4 t square, 5 into 1 it is actually minus 5 and plus 5 t square. This problem becomes very simple. Here it is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square is taken as 1 plus t square. Now this 1 plus t square and this 1 plus t square get cancel. Now this 2 is constant. You have to take outside. If we take 2 outside, then what is remain as the integrand? It is a dt upon, this is a 4t square and this is 5t square. It becomes here 9t square and minus 1. Make a perfect squares and get the answer in first. Now we are having next one, it is 2 into integration dt upon, here it is a perfect square of 3t and here it is 1 square. So 2 into, here coefficient of t is 3, so first duty is we have to write 1 by 3. Now this is problem from special integral. This problem is without square root, so answers are either 1 by a or 1 by 2a. Here minus sign indicates answer is in the format 1 by 2a, 1 by 2, a is constant, here it is 1 into log of, this is a 3t and 1, so we have to write 3t minus 1, 3t plus 1 and then plus c. So these 2 and these 2 get cancelled. It is 1 by 3. It is your prime duty to write t now. What is this t replaced by? In current problem, t is replaced by tan x by 2 minus 1 upon 3 tan x by 2 and plus 1, and very lastly it is plus c. Now for practice, I will take one problem from double angle also, and then few problems of same type we will take. Take one single problem from double angle actually, 1 upon 2 sin 2x minus 3 and then dx. In order to make practice, I have taken one problem from single angle, I will take one problem from double angle. Here minute change is in substitution. Here double angle is there, so we have to put tan x equal to t. Now firstly I will write let I is equal to integration of 1 upon, it is at 2 sin 2x minus 3 and then that dx. In order to solve this one, we will put here put tan x equal to t. I think you are knowing all substitutions. When double angle is here, it is not 2 dt. We have to write just dt upon 1 plus t square. Here it is sin 2x. So sin 2x is replaced by, it is same, 2t upon 1 plus t square. Now this capital I becomes, you have to write like this, capital I is equal to, it is 1 upon, we will write here 1 upon 2 into, how this sin 2x replaced by, sin 2x is replaced by 2t upon 1 plus t square minus 3, and that dx is replaced by dt upon 1 plus t square. Now use your knowledge of primary level and solve this here. LCM is 1 plus t square. Here it is 2 2s are 4, it is a 4t, minus 3 into 1 it is minus 3, minus 3 into t square it is minus 3t square, and in that dt upon 1 plus t square, this 1 plus t square and 1 plus t square it get cancel. So what should be here? It is a dt upon, here 4, it is minus 3t square, it is a plus 4t minus 3, it is here. Now take minus 3 common and then evaluate here. Now if we take minus 3 common, what is your next term here? If we take minus 3 common, then it is t square minus 4 by 3t, and it is a plus 1. Minus 1 by 3 is constant, you have to take outside. Minus 1 by 3 dt upon, it is a t square minus 4 by 3 t plus 1. I think it is a routine procedure. Here it is 4 by 3. So half of 4 by 3 is 2 by 3, and square of 2 by 3 is 4 by 9. So which term is added and which term is subtracted? Add 4 by 9, subtract 4 by 9. Here it is minus 1 by 3. It is a dt upon, here it is a t square minus 4 by 3t. Add that portion. Add 4 by 9, subtract 4 by 9, and very last it is plus 1. I think problem is at ending step now. We get the answer in few steps here. It is minus 1 by 3. It is integration of dt upon, I think these first 3 terms, these are the perfect square of t minus 2 by 3 whole square, and plus it is a 5 by 9 or minus 5 by 9. I think it is 9 ones are 9, 9 minus 4 it is plus 5, so it is plus 5 by 9. So it is minus 1 by 3 into dt upon t minus 2 by 3 whole square, and it is a perfect square of root 5 by 3 whole square. Now this is problem without square root. It is from special type, special integral type. Here it is plus sign, so answer is in 1 by a form. So it is minus 1 by 3 into 1 by a. A means this constant term, root 5 by 3, and here pair is with tan inverse of, numerator is variable term. It is a t minus 2 by 3, and here it is root 5 by 3 and then plus c. Now I think those students who are having skill, they can write direct answer by multiply numerator by 3, multiply denominator by 3. These 3 and these 3 get cancelled. At same time, these 3 and these 3 also get cancelled. So it is minus 1 by root 5. It is a tan inverse of, numerator is 3t minus 2 and denominator is root 5 and then plus c. It is your prime duty to replace t. Remember one thing, this is a problem of double angle. So this t should be tan x only. It is not tan x by 2. Minus 2 and divided by root 5 and plus c. I think these are all problems of various formats. So in order to make practice, we will take few problems of same type or typical problems from this exercise actually. Now I will take one typical problem from this exercise of single angle, that is. I will take that problem here. Question number 3 I will take. It is integration of 1 upon, it is cos alpha plus cos x, and in that dx. This is important problem from board and CET also. Now we will continue like this. Let capital I is equal to integration of 1 upon cos alpha plus cos x, and in that dx. Now I think this is a single angle. Single angle means your prime duty is like this. Put tan x by 2 equal to t. What should be next? Dx equal to, when single angle is there, we have to write double dt. That is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square, and this cos x. Cos x is replaced by 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now put these substitutions in this original capital I and get the required answer. Capital I is equal to, now it is somewhat typical problem. It is lengthy one. It is 1 upon this cos alpha, it is constant, you have to write as it is, but this cos x, it is replaced by 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, and that dx is replaced by 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Now just routine workout, but it is lengthy procedure. It is 1 upon, here LCM is 1 plus t square, cross multiply, cos alpha into 1, it is cos alpha, plus cos alpha into t square, it is a cos alpha times t square, then that remaining 1 minus t square as it is, and lastly it is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Just observe this calculation. I think this 1 plus t square and this 1 plus t square, it get cancelled, and here 2 constant you have to take outside the integral, 2 into integration of dt upon. Now observation should be better here. Here it is, 1 is constant, alpha is constant, so we have to write that constant term first, that is 1 plus cos alpha, and in that last 2 terms, here is t square present, here is t square present, but here is minus t square, so take minus common. You are having, if you take minus common, then it is 1 minus cos alpha, and common is here t square. All of the student, you are knowing a formula about this here, 1 plus cos alpha and 1 minus cos alpha. This is for both CET preparation. These are very, very important formulae. What is 1 plus cos alpha? I think it is 2 cos square alpha by 2, and that is 1 minus cos alpha, it is a 2 sin square alpha by 2, and then that t square. I think this 2 and this 2, it is taken common, and after common 2 and 2 get cancelled. What is remain here? Numerator it is dt upon denominator is cos square alpha by 2 minus sin square alpha by 2, and then that t square. Here 2 it is taken common, and after common that 2 and this present 2, it get cancelled. Make a perfect square and solve this problem by special integral formation. Very first term, it is a perfect square of cos alpha by 2. Second term, it is a perfect square of sin alpha by 2 bracket square. Now I think this is in special integral form. Now this problem is without square root, so answer is either 1 by a tan inverse or 1 by 2a. Minus sign indicates answer is 1 by 2a, but before 1 by 2a, here coefficient of variable term is sin alpha by 2, so it is your duty. So to write here 1 by 2a, a means sin alpha by 2, and your actually it is 1 upon sin alpha by 2. This is 1 upon sin alpha by 2, and into that formula now 1 by 2a, a means this constant quantity cos alpha by 2, and minus sign indicate answer is in log. Firstly we have to write cos alpha by 2, next it is sin alpha by 2 t, and denominator is here cos alpha by 2 sin alpha by 2 t and plus c. Your numerator start with constant term, so plus is written in numerator, minus is written in denominator. Now I think this is 2 sin theta into cos theta. It is 1 upon sin 2 theta, means it is just sin alpha, and here it is log of, replace that t now. It is a cos alpha by 2 plus sin alpha by 2, and that t is replaced by tan x by 2 total divided by, this is a cos alpha by 2 minus sin alpha by 2 into tan x by 2, and very lastly it is plus c. Now this much matter, it is sufficient as far as your all articles concerning to method of substitutions are concerned. But if we want to take one again example from this same type here for more practice, that is, just I will quote that example and then we'll stop the lecture. Here is next one example. I think three examples we have taken. Now take fourth one and we'll stop here. 1 upon, this is important for CET also. In this format somewhat change. In this current problem, I have taken 4 problems, but 4 problems are of different variety. Here sin x and cos x both are present. In order to solve this problem, I will write directly, put tan x by 2 is equal to t. This is here present sin dx first, I think. It is dx. Single angle is there, so it is double dt upon 1 plus t square. This sin x function is there. It is a replace by 2t upon 1 plus t square. Cos x function is replaced by 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Now put this value and get the answer in very fast. We'll write this answer here. 1 upon, this is 2. Cos x is written as 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. It is minus sin x, 2t upon 1 plus t square, and it is 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. Take LCM and get the answer here. It is equal to integration 1 upon, LCM is here 1 plus t square. It is 2 plus 2t square plus 1 minus t square minus 2t. It is into 2 dt upon 1 plus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square get cancelled. 2 is constant, take outside. I will be doing the steps in fast, because if you want, you can pause the video and we can make a review of this video. So that's why I will be writing in fast. 2t square minus t square, it is t square. It is minus 2t, and very last 2 plus 1, it is 3. dt is already written. Now add 1, subtract 1. It is a dt upon t square minus 2t. Add 1, or I will write like directly 1 plus 2. So these are the perfect square here. 2 into dt upon, this is a perfect square of t minus 1, and this 2 is a perfect square of root 2. Last step I will write now. It is 1 upon a tan inverse of variable term upon constant term, and then plus c, that t is replaced by root 2 and 2, it is get cancelled. It is a root 2 tan inverse of t is tan x by 2 minus 1 upon root 2 and plus c. We'll stop here only. This much it is for method of substitution. If we prepare in better manner, we can cover board and CET both actually. Okay, we'll stop here only. Thank you.